AI tools in 2025 that will change your life. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence, not just the hype, but the actual tools that are reshaping how we live and work in 2025. Over the last few years, AI has moved from being something futuristic to something we use every single day. And if you're not using AI yet, you're missing out on one of the biggest opportunities of our lifetime. So let's explore some of the best AI tools in 2025 that can save you time, make you money, and even open up new career paths. I'll break them into categories because the truth is, AI is now touching everything from content creation to business management, from learning to personal productivity. 1. AI for content creation. This is one of the most explosive areas. Tools like ChatGPT, Anyword, and Jasper are now standard for writing articles, ads, or even entire books. But in 2025, we also have AI video tools like Runway Gen 3, Pika Labs, and Sora, which let you create realistic video scenes from just a text prompt. You don't need to know how to edit anymore. You just describe what you want. Then we have voice tools like 11 Labs, which create human-like voices for podcasts or faceless YouTube channels. Imagine running an entire channel without ever recording your voice or showing your face. That's possible now, and thousands of creators are already doing it. 2. AI for business productivity. Companies are no longer just using spreadsheets and emails. They're using AI to manage workflows, answer customer questions, and even write code. Tools like Notion AI and ClickUp AI help teams brainstorm, summarize, and organize projects. Customer service is powered by AI chatbots that can handle complex conversations without human agents. Then we have GitHub Copilot, which helps programmers write code faster and with fewer errors. These tools don't replace humans, they make humans faster and sharper. And in business, speed is everything. 3. AI for learning and research. Students and professionals now have AI tutors available 24/7. Platforms like Conmago and Perplexity AI don't just give answers, they teach you step by step. Need to understand advanced math or prepare for a job interview? AI tutors break it down in a way that fits your learning style. For researchers, AI can scan thousands of documents, articles, and studies in seconds, pulling insights that would take weeks to find manually. It's like having a personal research assistant in your pocket. 4. AI for personal productivity. If you struggle with time management, there are AI assistants like Motion and Reclaim that plan your schedule automatically. They take your tasks, your meetings, and even your energy levels into account. Some AI apps now track your focus and suggest when to take breaks or when to dive deep into work. It's like having a personal coach watching over your day, helping you stay productive without burning out. 5. AI for creativity and art. The creative industry has changed forever. Tools like Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, and DALL E4 generate images that rival professional designers. Musicians are using AI like Suno and Ava to create soundtracks, beats, and entire songs. Filmmakers are using AI to storyboard and even generate visual effects. Instead of replacing creativity, these tools expand it. People who once said, "I can't draw" or "I can't produce music" can now express themselves at a professional level. 6. AI for money-making opportunities. This is where it gets exciting. Entrepreneurs are building entire businesses powered by AI. Think of running an online store where AI writes your product descriptions, designs your ads, and even manages customer messages. People are selling AI-generated art on platforms like Etsy. Others are starting newsletters written mostly by AI, but curated by humans. Some are even using AI to analyze the stock market or crypto trends, giving them insights that were once available only to Wall Street firms. 7. AI in everyday life. Even outside of business, AI is everywhere. Smart assistants in your phone or home now manage your shopping lists, adjust your home lighting, and help you cook meals with step-by-step instructions. Healthcare AI apps can track your health metrics, suggest diets, and even detect early signs of illness. Fitness apps generate custom workout plans in seconds. In short, AI is becoming less of a tool and more of a daily companion. Now here's something important. With all these tools available, the winners in 2025 aren't the ones who know about AI. The winners are the ones who use it consistently. It's not enough to just hear about Midjourney or ChatGPT. You have to practice with them, test their limits, and figure out how they can help you personally. Of course, there's also a conversation about ethics. AI can create fake news, deepfakes, and even scams. That's why it's so important to use these tools responsibly. At the end of the day, AI is just a mirror of human intention. It can build or it can destroy, and it's up to us to choose. To wrap this up, if you're looking to build a career, a business, or just improve your life in 2025, start experimenting with AI today. Pick one or two tools from this list, integrate them into your workflow, and see what happens. You'll be surprised at how quickly your productivity, creativity, and income can grow. So, those are some of the best AI tools in 2025. Tools that are not just changing the game, but rewriting the rules entirely. If you're serious about growth this year, don't just watch from the sidelines. Get in the game.